I love it. The Byte 3 is absolutely amazing. It's small, it's compact, and it's quiet too. Simplicity is the key to excellence. I knew I needed a lot of power and a lot of storage space for all the projects I was going to have to be working on, and a friend recommended the Byte 3 to me. Best mini PC ever. It has so much power and more capabilities than ever, like the Type-C port.
It's actually a computer. I use it for everything, including streaming from Netflix, Hulu, or Amazon. And on top of that, it's in 4K display. That is unbelievable from a PC this small. The performance is jaw-dropping. With 8 GB of RAM and the new Apollo processor, you can really feel the power of the new Byte 3. I can host Skype meetings, multitask, and so much more. The addition of the M2 slot is phenomenal. The Byte 3 is amazing. Join the experience today.
Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you found it helpful, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the next episode. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.